Hello. It's been a while. My setup is terrible, wouldn't you say? I've made every improvement I could have, but a budget setup like this can only get you so far. So let's change things one at a time till I get an improvement on my audio while recording till I find it acceptable. I currently have a desktop compression microphone with a DIY pop filter. This setup works just fine for pure audio recordings, but when I game and record, the keyboard and mouse bleeds through like hell and sounds terrible. By default, my unfiltered audio sounds like this. This is what my audio sounds like as of right now, and unfortunately, it's terrible. I can do some things to clean it up, but it's just not enough. Especially when I'm typing. This is what my audio sounds like as of right now. And unfortunately, it's terrible. It's even worse when I'm clicking and typing. After I did my research, I found that out of the box, the best silent keyboard I could get would be the Epomaker RT100 with silent switches. After hooking this up and testing it right out of the box, I found that several of the keys were not properly put into place and had to manually fix them, which was fairly nerve-wracking. I thought I was going to break the keyboard, but it was fine in the end. Still, not beginner-friendly at all, even though it's supposed to be. Anyways, this is what the audio sounds like with just the keyboard upgrade. This is what my audio sounds like as of right now. I currently have a different keyboard. And if I... Heavy-handed spacebar. And if I type... What's going on with the Y key? It looks bent. And if I type, it's fairly quiet. I would take a gander. And this is typing while clicking. I am currently typing while clicking. Much quieter, I would say. Now that we have that tested, let's upgrade things further. It's better, but still fairly bad. This is the Samson Q2U and a budget boom arm. I'm not using the XLR cable. I'm only using the wired USB feature. Also, I'm not using the default foam that comes with the 2QU. I spent a tad bit extra for the Shure SM7B foam cover, which is supposed to be a little better. Now let's add a desk mat to further dampen the audio. This is what my audio sounds like with the 2QU and the Epomaker RT100 silent switch keyboard. This is regular typing. This is typing while clicking. This is just clicking. Now, I am very happy with this. After all these changes, I'm happy with upgrades to an acceptable level. I was going to put a pop filter attached to the boom arm, but it doesn't seem to be necessary. Here's a decibel meter. I'm going to float it up in the air, just so it's not up against the desk. There we go. This is new keyboard. This is the old keyboard. The old keyboard. This is the new keyboard. New old keyboard. Old keyboard, or new keyboard. You can see the jumps right there. Way better overall.